starting your DIY journey, but not sure which tools to get? In this video, we'll show you 5 must-have total tools every beginner should own, whether you're fixing up your home or starting weekend projects. First on the list, the Total Cordless Impact Drill TID LI20968. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and powerful enough for both drilling and screwing. With a 20 volts lithium battery, it gives you long-lasting performance. No tangled cords, no stress. Next, the Total Glue Gun, perfect for simple repairs, crafts, or DIY decor. Plug it in, load your glue stick, and you're ready to go. It's small, safe, and surprisingly strong. Great for beginners. At number 3, the Total Angle Grinder. If you plan to cut metal, grind surfaces, or clean rust, this tool is a must-have. Just remember, safety first. Always wear your goggles. Fourth, the Total Jigsaw. Ideal for cutting wood, plastic, or laminate. Smooth curves, straight lines, you name it. This one's great if you're building furniture or want clean, controlled cuts. And last but not least, a Total Measuring Tape. A basic tool, but absolutely essential. It's durable, compact, and helps you measure twice, cut once, every single time. These tools are beginner-friendly, affordable, and built to last. That's why we love Total. And if you are ready to plan your first DIY project, start with these essentials. Like this video if you found it helpful. Check the description for links to our official stores. And don't forget to subscribe for more tool reviews and tips